Meaning of home plate.
Home plate.
Home plate.
Home plate.
Home plate. In baseball, home plate refers to the flat, pentagonal-shaped rubber plate located at the center of the infield and serves as the final destination for a base runner. A player scores a run by touching this plate with any part of their body while the baseball is in play and without being tagged out or forced out. Home plate is also where the batter stands during an at-bat and tries to hit pitches thrown by the pitcher. It is considered the most important base on the field, symbolizing the ultimate goal of the game.